Digital scrapbook templates can be a fun and creative way to share your memories and well wishes with your friends and family. Working digitally means preserving your photos, easily making edits, and even printing more than one copy of your scrapbook pages. Hi, I'm Daisy from Envato Tuts Plus, and in this demonstration, we'll take a look at a digital scrapbook template together and how easy it is to jump in and create something fun. Here's the template that we'll work with today. Check out the description below for more info if you'd like to try it too. Before we get started, if you love digital scrapbooking pages, stickers, clip art, and more, check out Envato Elements. There's a huge library of high-quality content over there, including graphic templates, fonts, illustrations, and much more for your next digital scrapbook page. Now let's turn to Adobe Photoshop. I've opened up the template file, and now I can start making my edits. Let's start with the text. It's easy to edit existing text with the Type tool. Just select the Type tool, and then click on the existing text in your layout. We can then edit and type as we would in most word processing software. Take a look at the Layers panel. Notice how this layer has a visual cue in the layer thumbnail. This indicates that it's a smart object. If you're not sure which layer is which, you can toggle visibility on and off by clicking on the eye icon to the left of each layer. You can also do this to hide any content you might not want to use or see in your layout. This layer here is an image placeholder, and it's a smart object. So let's double-click on the layer thumbnail to go inside it. This is what the inside of our smart object looks like. It's kind of like its own document. We'll need to paste the image we'd like in this placeholder here in this document. Here's the image I'm going to use. I have it open here in Photoshop. Start by selecting the image by going to Select, All. I know it's selected because I see this dashed outline around my content now. Then, to copy it, I can go to Edit, Copy. We can then return to our Smart Object document and go to Edit, Paste. But the image here is much too large. To resize it, let's go to Edit, Free Transform. We can then resize the image by clicking and dragging on the visible resize handles. Once we have our image resized just how we'd like it, save this document by going to File, Save. We can come back to this document to make adjustments, edit the photo, or even replace it completely. For now, let's return to our scrapbooking layout. Notice that our photo has been inserted into the template. Follow this process for any placeholder smart objects where you'd like to insert content. Here's a peek at what that looks like with even more photos inserted. But we can also directly paste content into our layout too. Let's try that out with this pretty asset pack. It's perfect for digital scrapbook templates. I've opened up one of the included illustrations here in Photoshop, and I'm going to select it by going to Select, All. Then I'm going to copy it by going Edit, Copy. Let's return to our digital scrapbooking layout, and then go to Edit, Paste. An important thing to note here is your layers. When we paste our content, Photoshop pastes it on a new layer. The position of that layer in relationship to other layers matters a lot. So for example, if I want this image on top of everything else, I'll need to click and drag to reposition it in the right order. We can also add new text to our layout. Just turn to the Type tool again. This time, I'm going to click where there isn't any existing text. Photoshop creates a new text layer for us, and we can freely type and edit to add new content here. Here's a look at some of the possibilities with this layout. We could add all kinds of pretty graphics, text, photos, anything you like using the techniques we just explored in this video. So what kind of digital scrapbooking layout would you create? If you enjoyed this walkthrough, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel. You can also click on the bell icon to get notified when we post new content. Be sure to check our channel for even more tutorials, tips, and other content. See you next time!